Welcome to App Junkie. App Junkie provides fast, easy and informative answers to your app-related questions. The subject that we'll be discussing in this video will be how to unlike all of your previously liked videos on TikTok. If you've been using the app for a while, you've likely built up a collection of liked videos that no longer reflect your interests or preferences. Or maybe you just want to start fresh and clear out your likes list. Whatever the reason, it's easy to unlike all of your previously liked videos on TikTok. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to do it. We'll also show you how to unlike individual videos if you want to keep some, but not all of your likes. So if you're ready to clean up your TikTok likes list, let's get started. 1. First, open the TikTok app. After that, tap on the profile icon here. We are now on our TikTok profile page. 2. To see the photos you have liked, tap on the heart-shaped icon. You should see the list of all the photos I have liked on TikTok. 3. Tap the hamburger icon on the top right. A section with options appears. From those options, tap on the Settings and Privacy. This is where we control and manage all of the settings of our accounts. 4. Scroll down and select Report a Problem. 5. Scroll down a little bit. Look for the Follow, Likes, Comments option. Tap on it. After the page is loaded, tap on Likes. The section expands to reveal more options. 6. Scroll down and tap on Other. 7. On the next page, TikTok may prompt you to try to find more information about your problem. Tap on No. 8. Tap on Need More Help. A text box will appear. You have to type in a message asking TikTok to help you unlike all your liked videos. Please include all relevant information. You can type something like, I want to unlike all of my photos at once. Please assist. Then tap Report. Your message will now be sent to TikTok. Give TikTok some time and a representative from TikTok will get in touch with you with a solution to your problem. If you want to clean up your TikTok likes list or start fresh, simply follow the steps outlined in this tutorial to report the problem to TikTok and request assistance in unliking all of your liked videos. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.